Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the complete setup process for the Daikin One driver within the Crestron Home environment. Before we begin, make sure your Daikin One HVAC system is already installed, operational, and accessible through the Daikin One mobile app. You'll also need to request a Daikin Integrator Token directly from Daikin. We'll explain where and how to use it later in this video. Let's get started. Open the Crestron Home Setup app, go to the Pair Device page, and enter the room where you'd like to add the driver. Then under Drivers, then Platform, then Daikin, select Daikin One Platform and add it. Give it a descriptive name, and on the next configuration page, fill in the required integrator information. First, enter your integrator email, then choose whether you want the temperature displayed in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Under Location, make sure to enter the exact name of the location that matches your Daikin setup. Any spelling mistake here will prevent the driver from going online. Next, enter your license key, which you can purchase from our web shop. The link is available in the video description. If you'd like to test the driver, you can use a trial license key, which is also mentioned in the parameter description. Click Next, and you'll reach the page where you need to enter the integrator token you received from Daikin. Here's where things get interesting. The Daikin integrator token is about 1,800 characters long, but unfortunately, the Crestron Home Setup app input field has a strict character limit. To solve this, we've created a workaround, a web tool called Token Splitter, which divides your token into 7 smaller parts. You'll find the link to this tool in the video description. Simply paste your entire token into the input field, click Split, and then copy and paste each of the 7 parts into the corresponding fields in the Crestron Home Setup app. Once that's done, check the driver status in the settings. If everything has been entered correctly and your license is valid, the driver should now appear online. Keep in mind that even a small typo, especially in your location or token, will cause the driver to go offline. After that, the system automatically generates extensions based on how many HVAC devices are linked to your location. You can find these extensions under Manage Platforms within the folder for your Daikin driver. Here you'll see that the driver has created entries for each room or device, matching the exact names from the Daikin app. For this demonstration, we'll select Basement, keep the same name, and enable both the fan slider and the home and room page tile. Click Next, and the extension will be successfully added. Now you can open the Crestron Home app on your mobile device or touch panel and see the Daikin One driver in action. The driver mirrors all essential thermostat functionalities, but it also provides advanced integration capabilities. You can use data from the Daikin One driver as triggers for external automation or control the HVAC system through external events. Let's look at 2 quick examples. In the first scenario, we'll use data from another driver, for example, a weather station, to control the HVAC mode. If the outdoor temperature rises above a defined threshold, the Daikin system automatically switches to cooling mode. We set this up through the Actions and Events section using an if condition that compares the external driver's temperature parameter with our chosen limit. In the second example, we'll configure a push notification. Whenever the Daikin mode changes to cooling, whether from the Crestron app, the physical thermostat, or the Daikin mobile app, everyone in the household who uses the push notification app will receive an alert. To do this, locate your Daikin driver under the corresponding room, open the Events section, find cooling mode selected, and assign the push notification action. As you can see, the notification instantly appears on the iPad when the mode changes. The Daikin One driver comes with a wide range of events and triggers you can explore and use creatively in your automation workflows. And that's it for this video. If you have any issues, questions, or feature requests, feel free to reach out. We're always listening. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.